Hello. We are thrilled that you'll be joining us for a motorcycle safety course at Frederick Community College. We appreciate you taking the steps to become a safe, licensed rider. This video contains important information pertaining to your participation in this course. Please listen carefully, otherwise you could jeopardize your course success and completion. You have been sent an email with everything we will cover in this video.
This course requires students to complete an online component before you can set foot on a motorcycle. Please read the information that was emailed to you about the e-course and follow the directions to access the online portal. The e-course must be completed prior to your first in-class session. This online course takes about 5 hours to complete, so please do not wait until the last minute. You must print the completion certificate and bring it with you to class, or be able to show your instructor digital proof that you have passed the e-course. The certificate or digital proof should show your name, the date you completed the e-course, and the certificate number.
You were also sent an email containing several documents that must be reviewed and completed prior to class participation. If you can, please print these forms, fill them out, and bring them with you to class. If you are unable to print them at home, we will have copies for you to complete before class.
There is an optional basic rider course rider handbook available in digital form that students may find helpful. It is not a required purchase, but if you would like to purchase the digital handbook, click on the link in the email you receive. It will direct you to Amazon, where you may purchase it for a nominal fee. There is also a Spanish version available.
Riding classes start promptly at 7:30 a.m. at the FCC main campus. Please arrive at least 15 minutes early and be ready to ride. The range instruction is held in the Performing Arts Center parking lot. The Arts Center is also known as the F building on maps, and the parking lot is known as Lot 9. Enter the campus at the north entrance and you will see the range blocked off with yellow tape.
You will need to supply your own riding gear. This includes the following:
Other essential items to bring include this class requires reading and listening in English. Not sure about your English skills? Please email or call using the contact information provided. FCC offers free advising, testing, and English skill building courses.
In order to complete the course, you will be required to take and pass a multiple-choice written test and a skills evaluation. Participants are not guaranteed to complete the course, pass the test, or obtain a license. If you are counseled out of the course for safety purposes, you will not receive a refund. You may retake the course by re-registering and paying the course fee. If you do not pass the test, you may reschedule a retest within 30 days. Upon successful completion, individuals with a Maryland driver's license will have their course completion information submitted directly to the MBA, indicating MBA requirements have been met for the Class M license. Please allow 2 business days for the information to appear in an MVA account. An appointment must then be made with a full-service MVA office to update a license. Your completion is valid with the MVA for 6 months from the date you finish the class. We look forward to seeing you in your upcoming class. Ride safe and keep the rubber side down.